Hi, I am Istyak, a web analyst. In today's video, we are going to show how to set up cookie consent banner on Shopify. Normally, cookie consent banner setup process on Shopify a little bit different from other types of websites. Okay, so today I will show you how the setup works specifically for Shopify. Okay. But before we jump into the setup, let's first understand what a cookie consent banner actually is, why we need it, and why it is important for websites that collect and use visitors' data. A cookie consent banner allows user to understand and where required to give or manage their consent for different types of cookies and the tracking technologies. Cookie consent requirements depend on where your users are located and which privacy laws apply to your business. For example, regulations such as GDPR in the European Economic Area, the UK GDPR, and their privacy laws can require business to provide users with appropriate choice and transparency around the data collection. If a business fails to comply with applicable privacy requirements, uh, it can potentially face complaints, enforcement actions, or financial penalties depending on the specific violation. So, if you are running a Shopify store and serving customers in the regions with strict privacy requirements, having a properly configured cookie consent system is an important part of your tracking and analytics setup. Now, let's see how we can set up a cookie consent banner on Shopify. At first, we need to create a CMP account. I'm using Cookiebot, but if you want, you can also use the different types of CMP like cookies, etc. Okay, now copy the Cookiebot code. Then we need to add the CMP code in the header section of the Shopify themes. Okay, uh, now we're going to the Shopify store. Okay, okay. Click here, click the three dot icon, edit code. Okay. We need to paste the code under the head section. Okay, paste. Okay. Now save it. Okay, that's done. And now we need to go to our data layer. Okay. Mm, okay. Click settings. Settings. Then customer events. Make some necessary changes in our data layer to ensure our consent data is passed correctly. Okay. Uh, 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 Here cookie bot options. Uh, may edit this and write here true, and other is Google enable Google consent mode. Here is default false, but we need to do it true. Okay, done. Now save it. Okay, disconnect. Connect again. Okay, now all good. Now we have to ensure our setup is working or not. We need to preview it. Now click preview. Connect. As we can see, a banner is appearing on our website. This is a cookie consent banner, which allows visitors to manage their cookie and tracking preferences before any consent based tracking takes place. Okay, that's all for today's video. In this tutorial, we covered how to set up cookie consent banner on Shopify store. In the next video, we'll see full cookie consent setup using Google Tag Manager, including how consent works with our tracking tags. If you need any help with tracking, reporting, and web analytics, feel free to reach out. I have added my contact information in the description. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.